Find a comfortable position. You can close your eyes if you wish, but it is also okay to have your eyes open and stare at the bottle, cup or glass with water in front of you. We will begin by breathing deeply in and out at a slow pace. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And every time you breathe out, relax your body. Just relax your body every time you breathe out. The tensions we have in our body don't serve the water. And now, we will change our focus to our heart. It helps when you put one or more fingers on your chest, there where your heart is. And if you wish, you can put your other hand around the bottle, cup or glass with water. And imagine that you are breathing through your heart. Continue to breathe calmly in and out through your heart. And now, we will create a feeling of gratitude inside us. We are thankful for the water on our planet, the water that is all around us, the water that is in every cell of our body, the water in our food and drinks, and the water that is in the air we breathe, the water in the clouds that comes down as rain and makes our crops grow and our gardens blossom. We are thankful for all the water around us. hold on to this feeling of gratitude for a few more minutes and keep breathing calmly through your heart while sending this gratitude to the water. And know that water is crystalline in nature, that it is malleable, and that it realigns its structure according to our feelings and intentions. So we can send the intention to the water to cleanse and let go of all the pollution and impurities in it. Just visualize how the water molecules let go of all the pollution and impurities, letting go of everything that doesn't naturally belong there. Let it all fall off the water molecules. We can send our appreciation and love. Just say, "Thank you, I love you," out loud or communicate it silently to the water through your heart field. Visualize how the water molecules create beautiful crystal formations and appreciate the beauty of those perfect water crystals. Now we have come to the end of this meditation, and you can become slowly more aware of the room you are in. Feel your body, wiggle a little with your fingers and toes. Open your eyes if you had them closed. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation for the water. Namaste.